6th day of my 90 days trading challenge. Taruk suba Numit aigi 90 days trading challenge ki 26th of September 2022 ningthokaba numit kini aina ngasi yumsa kisan numit record tawani. Sigi numit sida aina sangiba trade ki review karai karai sangiba kamain show ki hybadu ngasi numit sida aina soiba mayamam tawgi it was a blunder tuni sai thanda su remind tawba plus aigi video se kemba mini heng biaga di sigi mistake si learn ta hona ba nin sida ki point mayam no tawba yani aina khali maram ti today the market opened with a big gap down sida chawna gap down am lakra sida gi smile tawga or almost 120 points in Nifty and almost 300 more than 300 points in Bank Nifty. Gap down la aina sigi gap si mark tawraga thame numit sigi oina market ek horpaga aur matungda it was a sloping moving average 20 EMA ne sidagi aina si bokta pullback la gade short out gain opportunity ngai dum chungong phangide pangdra matungda 20 EMA gi matakta sigi market se recover tawba horkreba pung barota ba swai dagi 20 EMA matakta market se sustain tawba hore sustain tawba horo matungda swai gi area sida swaina almost W pattern ama semaga swaina kaikhalak padagi di aina trade ama sida change pung baroga makhai ta matamda I entered a long trade here. What is the logic behind my trade is sigi 20 EMA matakta si kai matungda sida pullback la matungda sida hammer ama form tawre matungda once sigi high si kai raga si candle sina closing pire it was around this swing high sigi swing high mea sida sina duduna aina sida change sigi low sida ina stop loss hapaga I was hoping to achieve till this high or si gap se fill tawba natraga day high si box ai gi target wo ge na hold tawe ba si gi trade se swaina entry tawgra matungda unfortunately trade se swai si maton je yoromdana sidagi reverse la matungda ai gi si gi stop loss tha leiba ma pa si kai thara matungda ai gi stop loss yam huge momentum da lakini stop loss aina pa ma pa degi kra hena si stop loss ai. But the lesson that I could learn from this trade is that sigi mapasidi orga si yora matung sidagi reverse la isi kari gi reverse la krino hairu matandadi I missed out to look at Bank Nifty at this moment. Si je pung amaga minute tara pung ama minute trawa swai degi reverse la kani swai sida Bank Nifty na tu pung ama minute tara sida Bank Nifty ni yora mi mapase almost 39,000 which is a big psychological level neba Bank Nifty gi oina round figure achoba ma tharura kanda sidagi reverse la ko hogi vene. So I could have booked my profit here. Sida tahodra bawokta sigi market se reverse tawra matungda 20 moving average ki amakhada sida closing pi ba hor swai sidagi I could have booked my close my position here, but I was very adamant though I was holding on to my position tawra matungda sum khanga leibidagi sida khangtha thadara kana stop loss se sagiba. So this is a big lesson aduna like the don't be married to your position aina pairiba trade to the luhongbagi mangongda napsinarga emotionally attached tawraga laiganu haida. The market is showing you signal that it's not moving in your direction. You should have closed your position at the earliest. CC tawbagi I paid my price. So I lost around 4,747 on this particular day.